Today, the meeting of the Bank of England is the main event of the day. After the meeting, the pound sterling may lose value. Notably, other currencies, including the euro, may also follow the British pound. The prediction was made on the basis of several factors. Thus, the US Fed has already announced its intention to raise the key interest rate in the following year. The ECB is only dropping hints, but it's likely to take the same decision in the near future. Although the global economy is not ready for monetary policy tightening, there is no other way out as inflation is rapidly rising, especially in the US. In the UK, the situation is a bit different. There, the inflation rate is significantly lower than in Europe and the United States. What's more, the growth pace is not that high. That's why the UK regulator still has room to maneuver, and it may keep the ultra-loose monetary policy unchanged in order to stimulate economic growth. However, most investors suppose that the US Fed will raise the benchmark rate in the near future. This will lead to a jump in the yield of the US bonds. In other words, the US dollar is becoming more attractive for investors. At the same time, the Bank of England is likely to remain its policy unchanged. Such a situation will surely result in a drop in the pound sterling. The US dollar may also gain in value due to the data on the US durable goods orders. The indicator is expected to advance at least by 2%. Some economists even foresee an increase of 2.8%. Even if the real data meets the most pessimistic predictions, the greenback will have a strong reason for a jump. The fact is that durable goods orders is one of the main indicators of changes in consumer activity, which in turn is the main factor of the US economic growth. The US unemployment claims data may also boost the greenback. The number of continuing claims is expected to advance by 2,000. In fact, this means that the number will remain the same. At the same time, the number of first-time claims may decline by 52,000, while data on continuing claims points to the fact that people cannot find new jobs. Data on first-time claims proves that people lose their jobs less than before. In general, the labor market situation is gradually improving. Let us take a look at the trading charts. Judging by the technical correction from the support level of 1.1850, the euro-dollar pair was trying to return to the range between 1.1950 and 1.2050, where it was trading earlier for quite a long period of time. However, the volume of long positions dropped near the lower limit of channel 1.1950. It's quite possible that the important area will continue exerting pressure on buyers. If the price fixes below 1.1905, it may slide to the support level of 1.1850. According to the alternative scenario, the pair may consolidate above 1.2010 to continue gaining in value. After a decline locked during the period from June 16 to June 18, the pound-dollar pair entered a correctional phase. The psychological level of 1.40 acted as resistance. After the pair touched this level, it slackened. If the price fixes below 1.3920, the correction may end and the pair is likely to slide towards 1.3870. The alternative scenario will become possible if the pair consolidates above 1.40. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.